Mix and mash, away in a flash. We're going on an adventure.
With me, Gisele!
The magic, all the magic in the mashup mixer. Mix and mash, away in a flash.
What are your 3 words for the mashup mixer, Elliot?
Cheese! Campsite! And unicorn!
Our adventure awaits! Mix and mash and away in a flash!
Ooh, we landed in a campsite.
Smell that fresh air. With just a hint of cheese?
It's the tent. It's made out of cheese.
Oh, I wasn't expecting that. You know what my favorite part of camping is?
Tell me.
Better yet, I'll show you. Look how bright the moon and stars are tonight. And it's so quiet.
That sound is coming from nearby. Should we go check it out?
Lead the way. It's a unicorn.
Is it just me? Or does its horn look like the moon? Hi, unicorn. I'm Elliot, and this is Gisele.
I think it's calling out to the moon.
Or maybe it's just lonely.
We can help with that.
It's not working.
Uh-oh, it's a warm night, and the cheese tent is getting melty.
I didn't know unicorns like cheese. I think the cheese is powering it up somehow. It wants to give us a ride.
I'd never say no to a unicorn. I think I know where we're going.
The moon! Wow, the moon is made out of cheese. No wonder the unicorn loves it.
Oh, looks like our friend was just trying to get home.
I'm glad we were able to help out.
Good thing the moon is made of cheese. We're gonna need a new tent. What are your 3 words for the mashup mixer, Graham?
Button, water, and vine.
Our adventure awaits. Mix and mash, and away in a flash. Whee! Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa, look at the size of everything.
It's like a rainforest where everything is ginormous.
Or maybe we're just really small.
Huh, you're right. The plants and trees are getting droopy. Maybe they're tired?
Or maybe they're just thirsty for water.
You're right. We need to find some water. Lead the way. Whoa! Is that what I think it is?
It's a giant water sprinkler.
No, that's not at all what I was thinking. But it makes more sense.
I think we have to press that big blue button on the top to get the water started. Maybe we can bounce our way up on these bouncy flowers. It's not working.
Plan B! As in, maybe we can get a lift from that big honeybee.
Excuse me, but can you please fly us up to that big blue button?
Very sweet of you.
We're too heavy.
Maybe we should have had a later lunch. Thanks for trying. Uh-oh. The trees are getting even more droopy. Their vines are almost touching the ground.
The vines, that's it. We can't bounce up, we can't fly up, but maybe we can swing up.
Yeah!
Alley-oop! We did it! The rainforest has its rain back.
I don't know about you, but I never could resist a run through a sprinkler. You in?
Lead the way.
Hey, That's my line! What are your 3 words for the mashup mixer, Hugo?
Penguin! And then roller coaster. And pumpkin.
Our adventure awaits! Mix and mash, and away in a flash!
Whoa! We're in a big pumpkin patch!
What better place to be on Halloween?
Like our Halloween costume, Giselle. Really nice.
Thanks. I'm a lionfish.
And I am a cowboy!
That's a weird-looking pumpkin.
Ooh, I think it might be a treasure map.
You're right. And the treasure's a delicious-looking pumpkin pie.
Yum!
Lead the way, partner. Do you think we're close?
We must be. I can smell the pumpkin pie. Oh, there it is! We found it!
We're not the only ones. Look!
Who is that?
A penguin in a pumpkin patch?
It's not a real penguin. It's just on in a penguin costume. Follow that penguin!
It's getting away!
Giselle, look! A glowing pumpkin seed. Maybe it can help.
And away she grows!
It's the most pumpkin-y roller coaster ever!
We're catching up!
Got it! Hey there, why did you run away?
Oh, uh-huh. Yeah. Oh, you're scared of lionfish. Oh, yeah, I speak penguin.
Oh, you don't have to be afraid of Giselle. She's just wearing a costume. Just like you're dressed like a penguin, when really you're...
2 penguins! I wasn't expecting that.
So, who wants pumpkin pie?
Happy Halloween!
What are your 3 words for the mashup mixer, Michaela?
Island! Elves! And baseball!
Our adventure awaits! Mix and smash, and away in a flash! Heads up!
Wow! Where'd that baseball come from?
Whoa! This island is bouncy! I wasn't expecting that!
It's like one big, floating, bouncy castle.
Sounds like we're not the only ones having fun here.
Come out, friends. Welcome to Best Friends Island. Aw, cute little elves.
In baseball uniforms! Now we know where that baseball came from.
You saw our baseball? We need it back to play our game. Well, what comes up must come down. It must have landed here somewhere. Let's help them find it.
Lead the way. Whoop. Not here.
Not here either. Look, there it is. Up in that tree. Quick, Giselle, give me a boost.
You got it.
Hey, no fair. I'm not tall enough to reach now.
Sounds like we're gonna need some more help from our elf friends. It's not working.
I think I know what that look means. Are your feelings hurt? I think I know what's wrong. Do you have room for one more player on the team? Of course!
You know what that means. Game on!
Let's go! Play ball! Home run! All the tree wanted was to be part of the fun.
Aw, they don't call it Best Friend Island for nothing. What are your 3 words for the mashup mixer, Kaya?
Magnet!
Our adventure awaits! Mix and mash, and away in a flash! Oh,
Sunshine!
sand?
We're at the beach! That looks fun! Can we make our own sand fort?
Oh, great idea, Kaya! It's looking snazzy!
Whoa! Where did that snorkel come from?
It's magnetic! Whoa.
I think everything on this beach is magnetic. Does this fort look like something to you?
Oh, well, now that you mention it, it looks a lot like an elephant!
I think we should name it Gerald. It's alive!
I wasn't expecting that!
Whoa! Gerald! Come back here!
You know, I'm starting to think this is a very strange beach.
Oh no! We've created a monster!
Or at least a very mischievous little elephant.
We should help them rebuild their fort.
Lead the way!
There! All fixed. Not again!
What is Gerald up to now?
What a beautiful bubble. And look! It doesn't pop!
A sand elephant that makes unpoppable bubbles? This beach is full of surprises.
Yeah! And we still need to help rebuild the fort.
Won't Gerald just knock it down?
An idea just popped into my head!
Your plan worked, Kaya. This bubble fort can't be knocked down.
And there's room for everyone! Even Gerald!
What are your 3 words for the mashup mixer, Brandon?
Spaceship. Sloth. Pineapple!
Our adventure awaits! Mix and smash, and away in a flash!
Whoa! We're on a spaceship!
And we have a passenger! A snoozing sloth!
High five, snoozer! I forgot! Sloths move super slow.
Hey, what was the last word you put in the mashup mixer, Brandon?
Pineapple!
Of course! Then our destination is Pineapple Planet! Hang tight!
Whoa! Everything looks like a pineapple.
Whoa, I wasn't expecting that. Huh?
Those pineapples look like sloths. Only they're super fast. How are they so fast? I think I know how pineapple sloths are so fast. Try this, snoozer. I knew it! The pineapple juice turned Snoozer into a super speedy sloth.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh, if we don't get Snoozer out of here, he's going to destroy Pineapple Planet.
I know how we can do that. Follow my lead, Gisele.
All right, let's see where this goes.
Hey, Snoozer, I've got your pineapple juice. Come on. Now that we're leaving, Snoozer will be slow again.
Maybe not. I made a stop on the way back to the spaceship.
Mix and mash, away in a flash. We're going on an adventure. Imagine all the magic in the mashup mixer. Mix and mash, away in a flash.